Hi, this is the S&P ASX 200 Index Daily Update for Friday the 6th of September 2024. The ASX 200 Index closed higher again today. The market continued to push higher and attempt to recover lost ground. Some increased selling pressure was encountered just after lunch and again during the late afternoon, which is pretty normal for a Friday. The absorption process continued despite these moderate increases in supply. This is the intraday chart. Price opened modestly higher. The opening bar is arrowed here. This is the opening bar. Then traded in consolidation and absorption mode for most of the morning. You can see that here. This was effectively testing the market for supply in response to yesterday's late gains. Yesterday's late gains came here. The market then pushed higher around midday, and eventually drew out some increased selling pressure. Which caused price to begin some further consolidation in response in an attempt to absorb the supply. Back to the daily chart. Spread was very slightly increased today as price traded adjacent to the period of absorption to the left. The close remained in the top half of today's traded range, but was a little off the day's high overall. Today's close was reflecting the increased supply that was drawn out in the early afternoon. Volume was reduced today, so activity was reduced. There was no strong force or effort being made across the market. Taking a bigger picture view, the increased supply that was drawn out today was probably not particularly strong or overwhelming, considering that volume was slightly below the average overall. Overall, the local market continues to make a reasonable attempt to recover lost ground, with about half of last Wednesday's losses being recovered so far. This is last Wednesday's bar here. These were the pretty serious losses at the time. And you can see that round about half of the losses have been recovered now. Wednesday's high is now the important price level to the upside to watch. That's this level here. At the close of trade, the local market finished 31 points higher. Thanks for your time. Weekly charts later tonight. See ya.